Ufer grounding is a method of grounding electrical systems to the earth using metal rods or pipes driven into the ground near a building. It is named after Herbert G. Ufer, who developed the technique in the 1930s. Ufer grounding provides a safe and reliable path for electrical current to flow into the earth in the event of a fault or surge. This helps protect people and property from electrical shock and fires. Ufer grounds have several advantages. Firstly, reliability. Ufer grounds are less susceptible to corrosion and damage than other grounding methods such as buried wires or plates. Secondly, low maintenance. Ufer grounds require minimal maintenance once installed. Thirdly, cost-effective. Ufer grounding can be a more cost-effective option than other grounding methods, especially in areas with high soil conductivity. Ufer grounding rods are typically made of copper-clad steel or galvanized steel. They are driven into the ground vertically to a depth of at least 8 feet. The rods are connected to the electrical system using a copper wire. Ufer grounding must comply with the National Electrical Code, or NEC, and other applicable codes and standards. The NEC requires that Ufer grounds have a resistance of less than 25 ohms. Ufer grounding is commonly used in commercial and residential buildings. It is particularly well suited for buildings with large electrical loads, such as hospitals, data centers, and manufacturing facilities. When designing and installing Ufer grounding systems, it is important to comply with all applicable codes and standards. The discussion focuses on the use of Ufer grounding for a specific project, covering various aspects including the number and depth of rods required, the type of soil conditions, and the need for additional grounding methods. In conclusion, Ufer grounding is a reliable and cost-effective method of grounding electrical systems. It is well suited for a variety of applications, including commercial and residential buildings.